So hello, happy Friday from the beach, Englewood Beach to be exact. So we just drove in. I will show you guys a little clip of us driving into the beach, and then we're gonna go find our spot. We're gonna have a beautiful day at Stump Pass. Such a beautiful morning. So it's not quite 9 o'clock. We got here pretty early, but it looks like they're only doing half capacity at the park. Looked like they had about half of their parking spots roped off where you couldn't park. So another reason to get here early. It's a Friday, and we're gonna have plenty of space to appropriately social distance and enjoy the beautiful beach. Look at a little sandpiper go. Go, little sandpiper. Go, go, go. Oh, what is that? I already see something interesting. So we got some shells. Is that what you were running for? Oh, it's just a clamshell. Sorry, buddy. Didn't mean to scare you off. The water looks absolutely gorgeous. Oh, it's warm. Welcome to September in Florida. This is fall in Florida. So I did bring my GoPro. I already see some fish to film. Hopefully we'll see some dolphins, maybe a manatee. Who knows, but my feet are in the water in Englewood. I'm a happy girl. I am still repping Texas in Florida, so I'm some weird hybrid now. I don't know what I am, but I'm definitely a Floridian, just embracing my other roots. We've made it to Stump Pass. It's about a mile walk from our spot on the beach to here. Checking it out. We've been talking about how different it looks because they've dredged the beach and added a bunch of beach since the last time I was here. Last time I was here we had to walk through the woods, basically a whole big portion of it, because all of this beach was washed out. So my first time since they've added a bunch of beach back to it. But this is usually a good spot to see dolphins or manatees, so we'll see. Got a shipwreck on the beach. Well, it expired in 2019 and there's bees on it, so I'm gonna back up, but their tag expired in 2019. I'm walking with my shadow at the moment. We are attached. You're walking away from me. I'm trying to come to you. On the beach. Englewood. Reunited. So nice. Where are they hiding? We're back from our walk. Time to enjoy the water and go for a little swim. It looks gorgeous. Such a beautiful day. We've been enjoying it. Gorgeous blue skies, Florida clouds. Doesn't get much better. Water. Yep. Oh, there's some fish. I was looking for some. Some needlefish right on top. I know. Can I get to them before they swim off? Flat today. So beautiful. Oh, yeah. Is that one of the
what we call them baby cradles?
Yeah, baby cradles on top of.
They're live.
Yeah, they're like little
barnacles.
snails too, right?
They
Are
like
they more like
barnacle.
barnacles? Got it. Little baby cradles on top of the other one.
And that's
Nice.
another bigger one. I thought maybe it was alive, but there's not.
We have spotted. They're splashing. There are dolphins out there. There's. I can see it. I don't know that you guys could.
It's just more grayish, silvery.
Oh, there we go. So there's some little kids in front of us, so you might hear some random screaming. It's a very quiet beach day, aside from the two little kids who are having the best time. As I said, two little brothers. But in previous vlogs, you might have heard me talk about how these are the family shell that we collect. We can call them keyholes. So I'm only going to keep these two because these are actually pretty ones. But found 12 today. All of these I'm going to put back because they just don't quite. Some of them are a little broken, or some of them aren't just pretty enough. And we have a ton, but that's the shell we collect as a family. They're called keyholes. We found this really beautiful shark's eye, so we're gonna take that. And then I found this little conch that was actually beautiful once it was wet, so we take them and shine them a little bit. We put some little shellac on it to keep them looking like they're wet, so we'll take that one. So taking those for home, gonna return these to the shore. We also found this, which is a vertebrae and an unhappy child. Okay, I think he's calmed down. Mom has come back to him a little bit. So fossilized vertebrae that we found on the beach. So, not sure if we're gonna keep it. It's not in fantastic condition. We also don't know what it is, but some sort of fossilized vertebrae. So, the fun things you find on the beach could be from a whale. Don't know. Well, we're saying goodbye for today. It's getting pretty toasty. It's getting close to, I think, 1 o'clock now. So it's getting pretty toasty. We're gonna change clothes, head back to Arcadia. We are home from the beach. I'm starting to look more like a human being who's actually seen the sun in 8 months. After being so locked inside for so long thanks to COVID. But I'm actually getting freckles again. So that's a thing. I am starting to no longer look like a ghost. So that's a good thing. And we are getting ready to have some dinner. It looks like we're gonna have some pork tostadas. All right, here's what we got. We got some corn pico, some avocado crema, the pork, other toppings, and we got the tostada shells being warmed as we speak. Should be delicious. All right, there is my tostada. Looks delicious. We even got themed plates. Looks beautiful. I didn't for science this one, but guys, it's delicious. It's popcorn, but it also has crunch berries. So all the popcorn kind of tastes like crunch berries. So if you love Captain Crunch, it's delicious. Let me show you. See? Popcorn and crunch berries. 10 out of 10. Recommend. I love it. Okay, so it's late Friday night. My parents and I finished season 1 of Doctor Who, including the Christmas special with David Tennant. And then I played some Among Us with the friend group. And now it's time for bed. So that's gonna be it for today's vlog, but I'll see you guys again next week. Bye.